Hello everybody, and thank you so much for watching. Today we will make this matinee necklace in 6 rounds. Here are some measurements. This necklace has no closures, so it will fit easily over your head and around collars of blouses, for example. I also use metallic beads that measure 1/8 of an inch. Make a chain that's divisible by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've made 198 chains. Make enough chains so when you close it to a ring, it will fit comfortably over your head. Now I'm going to the beginning of the chain and make sure your chain is not twisted. And at the beginning, I will make a slip stitch into the first chain. And start round 1. Chain 1 and into the same stitch make a single crochet. Go to the next chain and make a single crochet into the top loop and make single crochets into every chain. Go to the next chain and make a single crochet, and so on. Make that all the way around. Go to the next chain into the top loop and make a single crochet. I'm making my last 2 single crochet. And then here was our chain. Here's our first single crochet. Make a slip stitch into that single crochet and pull the new color through. And start round 2. Chain 3 for the double crochet, and then 2 more for the chain space, so altogether 5 chains. Then make a double crochet, skip the next stitch and into the 3rd stitch and only into the top loop make a double crochet. Chain 2, skip the next stitch and make a double crochet into the top loop. Chain 2, skip the next stitch and make a double crochet into the top loop. And repeat that pattern. Chain 2, skip 1 stitch and make a double crochet, and repeat that all the way to the end of the round. I've made my last double crochet, and here's my last stitch that I have to skip. I chain 2. I'm grabbing my first color and I count 1, 2, 3 chains, and into the 3rd chains, and I have 2 loops here. I make a slip stitch. I have 93 chain spaces, whatever number you have. It needs to be a number that's divisible by 3. And that's the beginning of round 3. Make a chain, and into the next chain space make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Make a chain, and into the next chain space make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Make a chain, and then repeat 2 single crochets in every chain space and a chain. At the end of round 3, I made my last 2 single crochets in the last chain space, but I didn't make a chain. Make a half double crochet into the first single crochet that you made into the chain space. And start round 4. Make a single crochet into that half double crochet, chain 2, go to the next chain space of 1 and make a single crochet, into the next chain space make 5 double crochet. It's the chain space of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go to the next chain space of 1 and make a single crochet, chain 2, go to the next chain space and make a single crochet, and into the next chain space make 5 doubles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go to the next chain space of 1 and make a single crochet, chain 2, go to the next chain space of 1 and make a single crochet, then go to the next chain space and repeat the 5 double crochet. After you've done the 5 double crochet, go to the next chain space, make a single crochet, chain 2, go to the next chain space and make a single crochet, and then go to the next chain space and repeat the 5 double crochet. I made my last 5 double crochet. Here's my last space, and I will make a slip stitch into the single crochet, and here's the first chain we made. Make a slip stitch into the single crochet and start round 5. Make a slip stitch into the chain space, and now you can put on a bead. I put my bead, and now I will go into the first double crochet. Here was the single crochet, here's the first double crochet, and I will make a half double crochet, chain 1, go into the next double crochet and make a double crochet, chain 1, go into the next double crochet and make a double crochet, chain 1, go into the next double crochet and make a double crochet. So we make 3 doubles. chain 1 and into the last double crochet make a half double crochet. We made a half double, chain 1, double chain, double chain, double chain, and half double, and no chain. Go into the chain space and make a slip stitch and put a bead. Without a chain, go into the first double. Here's the single. Go into the double next to it and make a half double crochet. Chain 1, go to the next double and make a double crochet, and we make 3 again with chains. 1 chain, 2 chain, and 3 chain, and a half double into the last double crochet. Go directly into the chain space, make a slip stitch, and put your bead. Then go into the first double crochet and make a half double. Chain 1 and then make the 3 doubles again with chains. 1 double, chain, 2 chain, and 3 chain, and into the last double crochet make a half double and go into the next chain space, make a slip stitch and put the bead, and then start again making this fan. Half double, chain, 3 doubles with the chain, and a half double, and in front of the half double and behind it no chain, just directly in and out of the chain space with a bead. I made my last half double crochet, and now I will start round 6. Chain 1, between the bead and the half double crochet make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and go to the double crochet. Skip the chain, go into the first double crochet of 3 we made, make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, go to the next double crochet, skip the chain and make a single crochet into the second double crochet, chain 3, skip the chain, go into the third double crochet, make a single crochet. Chain 3 and into the next chain space. Don't go into the half double, just into the chain space between the last double and the half double and make a single crochet. Chain 1, and now we can repeat between the bead and the half double, make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and go into the double crochet, the first double, and make a single crochet. Chain 3, go into the second double crochet, make a single crochet. Chain 3, go into the third double crochet, and make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then move into the chain space between the double crochet and the half double and make a single crochet. Chain 1, and repeat. Make the single crochet between the bead and the half double, chain 3, make a single crochet over the first double, chain 3, make a single crochet over the second double, chain 3, make a single over the third double, chain 3, and go into the chain space between the third double crochet and the half double and make a single crochet, chain 1, and repeat the single crochet between the bead and the half double crochet, then chain 3, make a single crochet in the first double, chain 3, make a single crochet into the second double, chain 3, make a single crochet into the third double, chain 3, make a single crochet in the chain space between the third double and the half double, then chain 1 and repeat the pattern with a single crochet behind the bead, between the bead and the half double crochet. I made my last single crochet between the double crochet and the half double crochet, and to finish this round I just simply make a slip stitch to the chain space of 1 where the bead is, and I will sew in the loose ends. Our necklace is finished, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.